So this is the yarn I've just finished working with. If I were to continue working with it, the yarn would come this way, and I would knit right with the yarn in this direction. So I'm going to move the yarn in the same direction it would go if I was to keep knitting with it, and then I'm going to join the new yarn. So here's my tail, and then I'm going to knit one row and then knit back on the other row for 2 garter stitch rows. Now I want again to bring, I'm going to bring my old yarn that I'm not using around behind the work as I would, right, if I were going to keep knitting with it. So I'm going to bring that here. I'm just going to hold it. And now this is my new yarn that I'm going to work with. I'm going to bring that over the top of the old yarn. So the new yarn comes over top of the old yarn, and then I'm going to knit. So you're twisting the yarns around each other as you carry them up.